Walt Disney once said, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is an evening of celebrating that courage. Ladies and gentlemen, and the distinguished members of the legal fraternity joining us from across the world, virtually crossing oceans to join us, I would like to begin by greeting all of you very warmly, very heartily. A warm welcome to each one of you to Legal Era's second annual Legal Era Middle East Law Awards 2021. And the Master of Ceremonies, who's greeting all you leading men and women very much, is Shikha Singh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to start with, I would like to talk about Legal Era, the global legal media group, which is indeed a think tank of global experts, lawyers, and law firms. But Legal Era evolved and diversified into mega global think tank of expert professionals in the field of business and law, as we really anticipated the needs of the legal community and empowered them with information and tools to succeed in the rapidly changing times, the tumultuous and the evolving times. Well, Legal Era today is a business intelligence asset working in the global legal industry since 14 years now. And like I always love to say, we are, with your kind support, literally unstoppable. Well, we were the first organization to institute the ranking survey and awards for lawyers in India in the year 2011. And I must say, we've been growing strength to strength. And since then, we have indeed conducted survey, the intelligence reports and rankings in Singapore, US, UK, India, and Africa. Well, we launched our global publication in the year 2016, and since then we are closely working with the global GC community who are a part of Legal Era think tank community together. Well, today we stand proud and we are well connected with more than 75,000 plus subscribers and members to Legal Era. Well, of course, today's evening would be fantastic. There'll be claps, there'll be enthusiasm, and we got to literally pat our back. But yes, allow me to also share that leading lawyers, the in-house counsel and law firms who are a part of Legal Era community. Of course, to them, I must say that in 2020, we also conducted our first edition of the Middle East Law Awards 2020 to, of course, recognize the best lawyers and law firms in the Middle East, of course, a region that we need to celebrate. And thank you for giving us a reason to do so. Well, this year, yet again, award nomination and the selection process was based on market reviews, the survey, the peer reviews from in-house counsel based in Middle East and Asia. Well, Legal Era constantly works on, ladies and gentlemen, policy and advocacy with the industry and works on the discovery, the development, and the opportunities for the ecosystem at large. Well, with international presence in Singapore, South Africa, the Middle East, the UK, and the US, Legal Era, yes, I must say, plays a leading role in the thought leadership and the policy debates by being the global voice of the legal fraternity at large. And our team, I must say, is constantly at work to discover the global developments, optimize the business opportunities for the legal community, and also proliferate the credible knowledge and create the credible platforms to collaborate, to showcase stellar legal talent globally. Well, I must say that today is especially the day when you must keep your social media handles buzzing. Our hashtag for the event is hashtag Legal Era. And please don't forget to tag Legal Era when you share your experiences, of course, about this experiential platform and how digital just makes us inclusive, right? So I think we felt worthwhile to e-meet all of you. And I guess we are in this together. So it's time for your friends and colleagues across the Middle East region to definitely show some excitement, good excitement. And it will be really nice on our part to see all those snapshots reading in of your award winning moments. And yes, I would choose this juncture to say a big thank you on behalf of Legal Era to our supporting organizations, the Global Business Lawyers Network, and of course, the various corporate counsel associations from across the world, and of course, Society of Indian Law Firms for the lovely support that they have extended. And thank you to all my spectators, award winners, the nominees, everybody who's joined us. It means a lot to us. Well, with that, without any ado, so as to say, allow me to please warmly welcome. And of course, you can send in some tweets in the form of your claps and some lovely emojis as we invite our distinguished guests onto this virtual platform and the grand stage. Allow me to warmly welcome Dr. Lalit Bhasin, President, Society of Indian Law Firms. Warm welcome to you, Dr. Bhasin. Allow me to also welcome Leonora Reisenberg, the chair of the UAE branch for the CIR. Warm welcome to you, Leonora. It was lovely to see you backstage, and shortly, of course, we will be greeting you right on the stage, and we can see you right there. With that, please also welcome Yese Abu Ismail, the General Counsel and the Compliance Officer, MENA, the Global Lead of Compliance, Culture and Training from the Schindler Group. Warm welcome to you as well, Yese. And with that, warmly welcoming the lady herself, Akriti Raizada, founder, Legal Era Legal Media Group. Ladies and gentlemen, let's extend a good round of cheer for the powerhouse of distinguished and a very esteemed guest who have very rightfully taken their positions onto the stage. Warm welcome to all of you. And with that, an official welcome to all of you in attendance is due. So allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to talk about the founder of Legal Era Legal Media Group, who, should I be speechless or should I be wordy about her? Well, I must say that she is a legal tech entrepreneur, lawyer, a strategic advisor to in-house lawyers and law firms, all rolled into one. Quite believable, yes. Well, she started in 2007, a very unique initiative creating legal awareness for laymen on law and policy related programs. And then in 2009, she actually went on and started her own global legal media publishing house and launching the very premier magazine on policy, business, regulatory, and legal affairs, and a think tank community of global expert legal professionals. Ladies and gentlemen, you know whom I'm talking about, but allow me to also share that she believes in community building, community coming together, and has a strong network globally. She believes that together we are the change. And she is the Global Women Lawyers Association. Well, she's the one who founded it in the 2016 and also is the vice chair of the Global Business Lawyers Network. Well, yes, quite literally, she's unstoppable, organizes various industry-focused conferences on various thought-provoking and, of course, far-reaching dialogues, I must say. She works with the topmost lawyers and legal teams globally and provides the think tank research report on policy and regulatory affairs, most importantly. And yes, she's been the first visionary to raise that bar for the legal industry in India by recognizing lawyers and law firms, in fact, their meticulous efforts, and created a unique platform to honor the Indian lawyers and the law firms by organizing the Indian Legal Awards right then in the year 2011. And yes, if we talk about today, her vision is very simple and in fact very emphatic, which is to create one voice, one community for knowledge sharing for the global business legal industry. Well, she says, may I quote, it is important to live what you dream and be different, I unquote. Ladies and gentlemen, let's warmly welcome on the stage, handing over the strings of the conversation to Akriti Raizada, founder, Legal Era Legal Media Group. Over to you, Akriti.
Thank you, Shikha. Thank you so much. I think it was a very, very great introduction, but being on my lines, I would love to make it a global community. A very warm welcome to Dr. Lalit Basin, Leonora, Yasir, and distinguished members of the legal fraternity joining us today from across the globe. A very warm welcome to each one of you, and thank you so much for joining us virtually today. We are proud to host the second today. Deal or no deal, Middle East or the black gold is legal sector shines always. Legal Era's journey into the Middle East market started in 2018 when we launched our first corporate council conference. And since then, we have been closely reviewing the business and the legal market. The Middle East landscape in past years has been a hot pan for opportunities and hopes. The oil-based Gulf states have always proven to be an important trade hub, presenting geographical strategic opportunities to access Africa, South Asia, and Europe. Middle East is also a credible launchpad for business. And that is the reason Legal Era is launching its magazine and the awards in the Middle East for ranking the lawyers. The Middle East market has been a key market for global businesses, attracting major international players from all commercial and industrial sectors. When these players enter high-value deals, projects, and investment, there is an automatic need to comply with the law. Today, the emerging practice make the Middle East one of the most active and interesting regions to work in as a lawyer. Equally important is the need to adopt technology and to create affordable legal practices, encourage lawyers, and collaboration with other functions. The competition and the client demand is greater in the legal services, and lawyers who deliver services in a sleek, agile, and user-friendly way are reaping rich benefits. Middle East legal industry has evolved and diversified in many ways than just one. And today's awards are to recognize the legal finesse, innovation, and achievements of the leading lawyers and law firms in Middle East. The annual Legal Era Middle East Law Awards was instituted last year in the thick of a raging pandemic. And what an inaugural edition 2020 was. Based on thorough market research, time-tested methodology, the awardee law firms, in-house teams, attorneys, and general counsels were recognized from across different categories for their tireless efforts and sheer dedication. Despite of the unprecedented socio-economic crisis, everything went phenomenal, and the award ceremony and participation were a great success. Legal Era is proudly bringing you today this second edition of the Middle East Law Awards 2021. While the Middle East continues to offer opportunities for cross-functional, cross-geography growth, this edition stands out as a prestigious platform driving much-needed recognition of legal excellence from this promising region for the practice of law and business. The awards are categorized as law firm, in-house, and Premier League segments to reflect the painstaking work undertaken by law firms and legal teams and legal practitioners in the Middle East. The selection include service type, range, business type, operation, and individual team expertise, amongst others. As with all Legal Era awards, we followed an intensive methodology for selection. The team conducted an extensive and exhaustive research that assessed the leading regional and domestic law firms in Middle East region, including in UAE, Bahrain, Iran, Israel, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and to reward the deserving rightfully. The filtered ones were then passed on to a jury, an accomplished and independent fleet of stalwarts from the legal industry and academia. They examined the information and churned out unbiased ranks. From there, only the finest and the earning finalist were shortlisted through another rigorous layer of study. Just like the previous awards, this year too is the most coveted certificate of competence in the legal industry. The yardstick for judging competence at all, as Legal Era recognizes only impeccable contribution to the world of law and business. So here we are, ready to recognize and acknowledge those who have capitalized on these trends, adapted to the changing requirement, and engaged with technology to their advantage. These awards are more relevant than ever in today's increasingly tax-savvy, culturally evolving, and interdependent marketplace. I must add, every nominee is a winner in their own right. So let's applaud the finalist and the awardee with equal vigor as we announce the eminent professionals, legal teams, and law firms who have shone brightly through thick and thin from the Middle East. We are proud to take the annual Legal Era Middle East Law Awards to the next level, empowering every legal professional with knowledge sharing, recognition, and relationship building opportunities like no other. Let's hear for the high value and ever exciting Middle East region. Let's hear it for the incredible talent waiting to be celebrated and recognized today. Thank you so much. Thank you all. We are very, very appreciate your valuable presence. Over to you, Shikha.
Well, Akriti, I think the smile and that vibe of connectivity that we all feel with you says it all, that we are striding with that inspiration. And I'm sure this would be an evening to remember. Thank you very much, Akriti, for welcoming us so warmly. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I am enthusiastic to invite at the center stage an industry stalwart, the one who's absolutely very humble in his demeanor as well, the managing partner of Bhasin and Co Advocates, the chairman of Film Certification Appellate Tribunal, the president of Society of Indian Law Firms, and the president of the Bar Association of India, amongst so many several titles that he holds. Well, I know that, and we all know that he started his law practice in the year 1962 and has went on to develop Bhasin and Co. as one of the largest law firms in the North India. But his areas of specialization, I think we would like to reserve an evening if we talk in detail about it. But for now, streaming across employment and labor laws, corporate law, foreign collaborations, amalgamations, M&A, law related to IT, contract, sports law, entertainment, all of that. Well, with warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, with warm cheer, let's welcome on the stage the President Society of Indian Law Firms, Dr. Lalit Bhasin. Dr. Bhasin, it's over to you.
Thank you, Shikha, for your very gracious introduction. And thanks to Akriti that we are all meeting and celebrating the second Legal Era Middle East Law Awards 2021. The credit hugely goes to Akriti Raizada, founder of Legal Era Global Legal Media, and the entire team which has put in great effort in putting in place these Middle East Law Awards. I bring to you greetings from the Society of Indian Law Firms and also from the Bar Association of India, as well as the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators India and the CII National Task Force on Legal Services. There are historical ties between Middle East and India spread over, I think, 1,000 years in terms of culture, trade, and commerce. Fortunately, these ties exist even today and are much stronger. Regional cooperation between Middle East, that is UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and other countries, and India, has to grow. Mutual cooperation is the essence of our relationship. And I have no hesitation in saying that India also has to learn a lot from the UAE experiences. UAE has pulled off something revolutionary. The country has introduced a 4.5 day work week, becoming the first in the world to do so in place of the global 5 day week. This has been done with the noble object to align the country with the nations that follow a Saturday, Sunday weekend, and thereby only to strengthen the economic links between UAE and those countries. India and the rest of the world should not lag behind in following this because it has got a noble objective in mind. Considerable developments in economic fields are taking place. There is, I read in yesterday's newspapers that Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, and Abu Dhabi Chemicals are to set up a 2 billion chemicals joint venture in UAE. This is like a win-win situation, not just between the two corporate bodies, but also between the two countries. These are not possible. These agreements and other things are not possible without the legal support of lawyers in the region, that is the Middle East region, and in India. That is where mutual cooperation, interaction, and knowledge sharing among the lawyers of the regions and India is required. These awards are a step in this direction for mutual growth and understanding. It is a privilege for Legal Era Global Legal Media, the jury, and the Society of Indian Law Firms to recognize the unique experience, expertise, and competence of those of the awardees who are like living legends in their own right. We are not honoring them, but they have honored us by accepting our request to receive the awards. My gratitude and thanks to the awardees and my best wishes to each and every one of them. And again, a great thanks to Akriti Raizada and Legal Era Global Legal Media. While coming to the conclusion of these selection process, we were guided mainly by the inputs which we received from market reviews, survey, and peer reviews from the very eminent in-house general counsel and counsel in Middle East and Asia. It has been a transparent process and for which I thank my other jury members as well. So with my best wishes to all of you, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Dr. Basin, thank you very much for gracing this stage, the legendary stage, as you said, with your words. And thank you for empowering us with your stature. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted, excited, and ignited to be welcoming our very special guest, the one who is the chair of the UAE branch for the CIR. Well, a highly experienced independent arbitrator and accredited commercial mediator, registered on arbitration and mediation panels worldwide, including the AIAC, CR, CICA, GIAC, and many more, working out of the UAE since the year 2007. She is really the female figurehead in arbitration, a force to reckon with, a barrister in England and Wales, a solicitor in the Supreme Court of England and Wales, and a member of the DIFC Courts Arbitration Working Group in DIFC, Dubai, and an honorary member of the HAC Global Advisory Board in Hyderabad, India as well. Wow, so many shades to the lovely work that she does. She's decorated, I must say, with prestigious awards, voted as the ADR Specialist of the Year, Middle East, Best Female ADR Specialist, Middle East, and so much more. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to kick a notch up as we welcome on the grand stage Leonora Reisenberg, with a good round of cheer, please, everyone.
Thank you, Shika. I'm grateful. I would like to start by extending my thanks and appreciation to Legal Era, and in particular to Akriti, for the generous invitation to join the distinguished panel this evening and to say a few opening words. I am truly grateful, and it's such a pleasure to be sitting in this virtual space alongside each other. Shika, thank you very much for the generous introduction. You've certainly managed to highlight some of my stronger qualities. Just in correction, I must say that I'm the immediate past chair of the UAE branch of the CIR. I would not want to mislead anyone, but I still sit on board of management for the UK. With those words, I would also like to say that it is a great pleasure and privilege to be here and to have the opportunity to share all the achievements in the legal industry in the Middle East over the last 12 months. There is something to be said about excellence in usual circumstances. And I appreciate that the notion of usual is fast changing, especially in our industry. But when you excel, or your team member excels in difficult times, that is truly exceptional. Everyone, without exception, that has been nominated for an award should be beaming with pride this evening, knowing that they, their team, their office, the work that they do day in, day out is truly exceptional. Since the pandemic, we have all been tested in all kinds of ways. We've had good days, bad days, in some cases impossible days. There was no training, no preparation, no amount of reading at law school or bar school that would have prepared us and eased the journey ahead. The legal industry, much like other industries, woke up one morning and knew that it had to modernize to survive. And that's what it did. The journey has been transformative. We have learned to embrace change, to adapt, to reform, both in terms of the way we think and the way that we operate in business. I am sure you will all agree with me that today we speak and we practice a very different language. Business has evolved, business practices have evolved. As a legal fraternity or maternity, I do like to play devil's advocate occasionally, we have become more resourceful, more skilled in the strategic use of modern technology. And that hasn't come easy. I know that I'm a bit of a dinosaur when it comes to IT, so it's taken me quite some work to be able to operate in an online forum. We have also learned to be more tolerant, more accepting, more flexible in the way that we work and we service commerce. And commerce smiles back at us. We were all united and remain united in our resolve to keep moving. Business, people are accepting that there is value to be received in operating within the new modern era. And there would have been a time that the very thought of having a remote hearing, for example, would have raised eyebrows. We have all been driven to change. Today, courts hold virtual hearings, arbitral tribunals hold virtual procedural meetings and hearings. Mediations, including multi-party mediations, are held in the virtual space. For those of you that haven't had the pleasure of operating breakout rooms during a mediation meeting, I highly encourage you to explore it. It is really incredible what you can do online. And we are all learning every day. And no doubt the legal practice will keep evolving. I certainly look forward to meeting you all again next year and share experiences of the yet newer emerging practices within our industry. In the Middle East, and certainly in the UAE, we are people's nations. We meet face to face, we transact face to face. That contact is invaluable. We are seeing businesses go back to conducting business in person. We are also seeing more creative hybrid practices emerge that include a physical as well as a virtual component. And that's working very well. Underlining all these business norms, importantly, there is common acceptance that change can be and is empowering. It really doesn't matter how we meet, so long as we meet. And today is such a great example of this. The contact, the voice, the presence, that is invaluable. In these challenging times, it would be remiss of me not to applaud the vision of the founders of the legal era Middle East when they decided, bravely so may I add, to organize the first annual Middle East Legal Awards in the thick of the pandemic. And beyond that, here we are again for the second annual Middle East Law Awards. Still in the pandemic. During these challenging times, it has never been so important to come together, appreciate achievement, celebrate legal excellence within our circles. I can only but thank and applaud Legal Era again for their investment in recognizing lawyers and practitioners, not only in India, but beyond that, and including in the Middle East. It is a great development and a very welcome development. With that, I wish all of you a truly excellent evening of celebration. My congratulations.
Leonora, thank you very much for your ever gracious virtual presence. And of course, we wish to meet you sooner than soon and host you in person as well. Thank you very much for your encouragement. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we would be welcoming on the stage. He will be shortly speaking with us, our distinguished guest, who is the General Counsel and Compliance Officer, MENA, the global lead of compliance culture and training from the Schindler Group. Well, the international legal counsel and an experienced leader that he is, he acts as a true business partner and leads by influencing and partnering with executive leaders so as to accelerate the global business goals and to build a lovely culture of integrity. But throughout his career and academic journey in Egypt, France, Saudi, and the UAE with top-tier multinational organizations such as Ernst & Young, PepsiCo, and currently, of course, Schindler, he played a vital leadership role in developing agile, competent, and the forward-thinking, so as to say, when it comes to the legal functions that enable the sustainable as well as the profitable growth of business. Well, currently he oversees the legal and commercial compliance matters across the Middle East and North Africa region and leads the global function of the compliance culture and training, as you just heard, at the Schindler Group. What's the wait for? Well, yes, I also got to tell all of you that he has been selected 3 times by Legal 500 as one of the most influential 100 general councils in the Middle East, and so many more accolades. Could we warmly welcome on the stage once again, Yesay Abu Ismail. So over to you.
Thank you very much, Shika. Thank you very much, Shika. It's a great introduction, and wow, what a great energy! I didn't imagine that you will be able to pump all this energy and passion digitally. So congratulations for that. Thank you, Akitiri. Really amazing job, in engaging all such great legal brains digitally. So which is really a great leverage of the technology that we have for the time being. I'm honored. It's a great privilege to be with you today to celebrate with all such distinguished legal experts from peers and from law firms and from in-house teams. I can see, how brilliant moment that can be a game changer for everyone. I have been there. So last year, I was really awarded by Legal Era as the General Counsel of the Year. And I can tell you, it's really changed a lot in my career. It gave me the pride. It gave me a great message that, yeah, it's not only recognized by my own colleagues in my company, but also from the legal community. So congratulations to all my peers and great teams that will be recognized today. It's a great moment that you deserve for sure. You worked hard for that in such a great region. When we talk about the Middle East, I always call it the region of endless opportunities. With everything we have, with the challenges, with the uncertainty, with the vulnerability that we have in our region, but we will continue to be the heart of the world, where all opportunities can come through, as you said at the beginning, right? It's all about just getting the right passion and to drive and to add value, and definitely you will succeed. In this region, it's really the right region for lawyers to shine and to add more value. I always say the lawyers working in this region are superheroes, because the amount of challenges and the uncertainty that you have to deal with, it's beyond the normal responsibility of lawyers, that you can handle outside this region. And we deserve to be like that. And we up to this challenge, and we can definitely deliver. And I'm sure that the examples that have been already given by our peers and the teams recognized today will bring a lot of inspiring models, for all of us to follow. Middle East is really the place where you can export a lot of experiences to outside the region. Experiences, examples, inspiring models that really can help others, can help other organizations to grow and really to grab a huge growth on a sustainable and profitable way. So Legal Era is playing a significant role in recognizing lawyers and promoting them and incentivizing them to accelerate and to excel, which is a great role. We all need that, even if we are not working just to be recognized, but definitely it's amazing, to hear such recognition from a great organization like Legal Era. As I told you, it's a game changer. Enjoy the moment today. Enjoy every experience that you will get throughout the journey. And thank you very much for having me today. It's a great pleasure. And I wish you a wonderful evening and celebration. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. And I think the energy that we see in your address is something that is just going to uplift the vibe of the awards presentation ceremony, into which we are shortly heading. So thank you very, very much for joining us. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, you know what Mark Twain once said? He said, throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, and discover, I unquote. Ladies and gentlemen, having said that, sending a warm, warm welcome to all of you once again at Legal Era's second annual Legal Era Middle East Law Awards 2021. And our kind presenters, thank you very much for being stationed on the stage. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by Dr. Lalit Bhasin, Leonara Reisenberg, Yesay Abu Ismail, and of course, Akriti Raizada. We'll request you to please retain your glorious presence onto the stage, because we will be beginning with the awards presentation ceremony. And of course, this would be legendary in a way. And I want everyone to come together to applaud, because you know what? They say that the best gift you could ever give to anybody is nothing but appreciation. So let's make sure that each of our presence counts on this platform and the grand stage. And with that, allow me to also share, ladies and gentlemen, that this segment, the entire segment of awards, is actually divided into three lovely segments. So we will begin with the Premier League, which will actually recognize the par excellence. We'll be heading after that into recognizing the best legal minds from the law firm for their best work in 2021, after which we will also recognize the best legal minds from in-house for their best work again in 2021. So with that, if we are all set, ladies and gentlemen, of course, I want to see some lovely tweets and some lovely posts raining in already. And I'll, of course, occasionally have a look at it. #LegalEra is the official hashtag. So please keep showing some enthusiasm. And with that, allow me to once again reiterate that our first segment, which is being beautifully titled as the Premier League Awards, that will recognize the par excellence, all the lawyers for their individual excellence and being rewarded. They'll be rewarded because they are really those leading luminaries who are going to take the center stage right from here. Well, allow me to introduce to you all the first category of the evening in this segment. We march on and we introduce to you the Lawyer of the Year, Professional Social Responsibility. Well, I would want all of you to come together in synergies and give it up to welcome our winner onto the stage, Shilpa Bhasin Mehra, the founder, SPM Consultancy, formerly Legal Connect. Well, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share that Shilpa, an Indian lawyer who started a career in the chamber of Mr. K.K. Venugopal, has been in the UAE for over 25 years and practicing as an in-house legal advisor as well as in local law firms. Well, after experiencing, I must say, a life and death experience in the 2003, her focus went beyond the legal services. Well, authored a book, All Battles Aren't Legal. Let's hear it from the winner herself. Let's give it up for her.
Thank you very much, Legal Era, for this award. CSR is great, but we cannot leave social responsibility for the corporates alone. We as individuals as well as professionals can contribute too. I try and do that in my own little ways. Thank you very much for acknowledging my work. And it is indeed an honor to be in the esteemed company of such legal luminaries. Truly grateful. Thank you very much.
Thank you again and congratulations, Shilpa. And thank you for fortifying the belief of giving back to the society, how you are a firm believer. And as I rightly say, what you do for yourself dies with you, but what you do for others lives forever. So thank you for reiterating that notion and hearty congratulations. With that, ladies and gentlemen, as premier as the segment is, as premier, the claps and the enthusiasm should be as we move forward to our next category, which is the Managing Partner of the Year. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Sadiq Jafar, the Managing Partner, Hadaf and Partners. Well, Sadiq is the Managing Partner of Hadaf and Partners, who has extensive corporate and commercial law experience, particularly with respect to inward investment, joint ventures, banking and finance, succession planning, and so much more. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you, Shilpa. My name is Richard Briggs. I'm the executive partner of Hadif and Partners, and I'm unfortunately Sadiq couldn't be with you today, but he asked me if I would come and accept your award, for which we're all very grateful. Sadiq, myself, and all of us at Hadif Partners are very grateful to the Legal Era for giving us this award. So thank you very much on behalf of Sadiq. It's very much appreciated.
Richard, thank you very much for accepting the honors on his behalf, and please extend our due congratulations. Thank you very much. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, the next accolades are all set and all reserved because we are celebrating the category of the Legal Excellence Awards for Corporate and Commercial Litigation. Well, let's cheer aloud and say a big congratulations to Essam Al-Tamimi, the chairman of Al-Tamimi and Co. Well, of course, to talk about Essam, we would like to say that Essam Al-Tamimi established what is now the largest law firm in the Middle East and currently holds the position of the chairman at the firm. Well, here's extending due congratulations to you. Looks like Essam is not here with us, but here's cheering loudly for you. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we want to see some bright smiles in the house and some lovely energies. The inspiration continues, and the next category of the evening is Leading Lawyer of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, now prizes for guessing this one, because this one is a recognized leader in the commercial dispute resolution in the UAE. Let's give it up for Richard Briggs, the executive partner, Hadif and Partners. Well, the areas of specialization in the commercial litigation arbitration fields, and with reference to commercial dispute, maritime trade, and so much more in the UAE and the larger Middle East area, a member of the Law Society and a practicing solicitor of the Supreme Court of England and Wales. Richard, many congratulations to you.
Thank you very much, Shilpa, and thank you to everybody at the Legal Era. I'm very flattered and honoured that to receive this award, and it's making me feel very humble today. So thank you very much, everybody.
Congratulations again, and keep it in the first lane always. And as they say that anything is possible if you've got enough nerve to do it. Said not me, but J.K. Rowling. Well, he was not wrong in saying that, because our award winners this evening show so much of grit and resilience. You know, they say that life is often found in the dance between one's deepest desire and one's greatest fear. You know, all of you in attendance here today confirm that you are here because of your deepest desire, one of your deepest desire, which is to perform come what may. Well, yes, the pandemic must have induced a sense of stress, but I think your desire to perform continues to dance its way. And I want some lovely claps dancing their way as we celebrate the next segment, which is the Law Firm Awards, that recognizes the best of the best legal minds from the law firm for their best work, of course, in the year 2021. And the first category in this segment is the Best Law Firm of the Year. And let's give it up loudly, ladies and gentlemen, for the Banking and Finance Law Firm of the Year, Clyde and Co. Congratulations. Let's have a big round of cheers. Well, Clyde and Co, ladies and gentlemen, of course, as you can see, they are the winners, the largest presence and one of the most experienced international law firms in the Middle East, with over 40 partners, 300 staff members, and so much more. A full service firm that they're offering local specialists across business sectors in the areas of law, dispute resolution, and so much more. Hearty congratulations to the winners.
Thank you. Sorry, I was just on mute there. Thank you very much to Legal Era. Thank you very much for the esteemed panelists and all our peers. Again, I've heard this term used a lot this evening, but it is honestly a very humbling experience, and it's a real pleasure to be recognized for this award. So thank you again to everybody.
Thank you, and many, many congratulations. With that, we are celebrating the Corporate Law Firm of the Year. And the award goes to Alan and Aubrey. Hearty congratulations. Well, many, many congratulations to the winners. And of course, a big congratulations to the nominees also who were showcased right on the stage. So let's keep celebrating. Alan and Aubrey, very well done. And with that, please allow us to move to the next category, which is the Infrastructure and Energy Projects Law Firm of the Year. Well, you can have a look at the nominees, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep cheering, as Akriti also mentioned as she welcomed all of us, that, it's not, victory is not about wins or losses. It's all about if you've really put in your best. You're the winner in the truest sense of its meaning. So of course, as you can see, the winner being disclosed right there on the stage. Congratulations, Dentons. You provide the legal and strategic advice, and of course, the important local knowledge to help maximize the opportunities for your business. Extensive and experienced resources, tailored approach, and long-standing presence in the Middle East region. You undertake the most complex of assignments. Many congratulations.
Thank you, Shika, and to everyone at Legal Era. I'm very proud and honored to collect this award on behalf of our projects team. I think it's particularly pleasing to see our work recognized in this manner. So thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, some excitement brimming backstage. We are just wondering as to what looks like the next category of the evening. So, well, yes, I have the winner's name and the list is all there with yours truly. So what's the wait for? I want some nicest energies brimming right there on the stage. We are celebrating the litigation law firm of the year. Well, first have a look at the nominees who are going to be sitting right there on the center stage. Let's first clap for them. And with that, some excitement. Who is going to be the winner? Really, let's give a big, big congratulations and congratulate Hadaf and Partners, a leading independent UAE law firm with 100 lawyers and firm offices in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Founded in 1980, well, a full-service business law firm supporting local, regional, and international clients. Well, looks like this is a mighty win. Congratulations.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Shilpa. If everyone can see me or hear me, we're very flattered to win this. And litigation, of course, is a very important part of our business, of which we're very proud. So on behalf of both our offices, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, thank you very much for acknowledging us.
Congratulations. Like I always say, thank you for giving us a reason to celebrate. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the next category under this segment is the arbitration law firm of the year. Well, eyes definitely on the screen. Let's have a look at the nominees. And the winner is Al-Tamimi and Company, 16 offices, 9 countries. Al-Tamimi and Co. are a full-service commercial firm combining knowledge and expertise to ensure the highest purpose, which is that the clients have access to the best legal solutions that are commercially sound and cost-effective at the same time. Hearty congratulations to the winners.
Thank you and good evening, everyone. I'm Tom Snyder, a partner and head of arbitration at Al-Tamimi & Company. We'd like to thank Legal Era for organizing these awards, which we're very excited to receive. We'd like to thank each and every member of our team, lawyers and staff, and of course our clients who make all this possible. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on the mighty win this evening, and that inspires us to see as to who is bagging the laurels when we talk about the category of real estate and construction law firm of the year. Let's give it up, high up in the air, as we say, for Clyde & Co. But before that, of course, you have a look at the nominees. Well, the surprise element in this case is disclosed, but here's congratulating the nominees, and of course the winner there, proudly sitting and bagging the limelight. Well, Clyde & Co., 30 years of experience in the region and largest presence of any international law firm. Clyde & Co. takes pride on being able to help clients in recognizing and overcoming the challenges of doing business in the Middle East. 40 partners, 150 legal professionals, work from 4 offices located in the region's major commercial hubs, and of course covering a large array of sectors: insurance, energy, transport, aviation. This win is for surely very deserving. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. On behalf of the real estate team and construction team, thank you for this award and the recognition. We are really honoured and really appreciate it. Thank you.
Congratulations again. Ladies and gentlemen, this time let's keep it the other way around as we celebrate the TMT Law Firm of the Year. And let's have a look at the nominees. Well, bring it up for the awardees. Calling WLG, you have won it so right. Well, congratulations. You do act as a hub for clients operating in the UAE, the wider Middle East, and into the Africa as well. And you say that your lawyers in the Dubai office are the specialists in the laws of the UAE and other Gulf Cooperation Council countries, with 70% of your team being multilingual lawyers spending at least 8 years in the region. Well, of course, with the high quality partner-led service that you deliver, it's a win-on-win. Congratulations on the win.
Thank you very much, Shika. And thanks very much to Legal Era. I'm really accepting this on behalf of Alex Brazo, who leads the team and has done a really fantastic job with his team building a practice over the last couple of years with some of the leading innovators in the UAE. So it's a very exciting space to be, and delighted to accept the reward on Alex's behalf.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category of the evening. Well, I'm sure the awardees are someone, they are waiting to hear their names and, you know, we coming together cohesively and applauding. This time we are going to give it up for the Labor and Employment Law Firm of the Year. Who are the nominees? Let's have a look. Nikhil, I think what a pride it is to see your name right there in the roll of honor, correct? Let's give it up for the winner who has backed this one. Dentons, congratulations. We know that you provide legal and strategic advice across, of course, the local knowledge and experience, and how you leverage the long-established and the highly credible reputation with government officials, financial institutions, and other intermediaries. With strong ties, you are growing and developing business opportunities, speeding up approval processes. I think this is something that definitely should be highlighted. And that is how you made progress. You say choose Dentons, and we believe in that. Congratulations.
Thank you, Shika, and to Legal Era for this award. We are very honored to have received this. In a challenging year, working remotely, not being able to see our clients, and with a number of legislative changes in the UAE and in the region, I'm delighted to see and very pleased to see that we have been recognized as Employment and Labor Law Firm of the Year. I would like to thank my wonderful team for all their support, dedication, and perseverance, without whom we would not have received such a recognition. So thank you again, and have a great evening.
Well, thank you very much. That was Shiraz Sethi, and the Regional Head of Employment for Dentons & Co. in the Middle East. Shiraz, thank you for joining us. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, our next category of the evening in this segment is the Intellectual Property Law Firm of the Year. Before you actually clap for the winners, here are our illustrious set of nominees. Let's have a look at them. And as lovely and as intense the fanfare music looks, I would disclose the winners for you there. Gowling WLG, congratulations, celebrations. This is your evening. Well, you act as a hub for your clients operating in the UAE, and I think we can see, and now I think these awards are a testimony. We believe how you work seamlessly together to offer your clients a complete service end-to-end that, most importantly, that they can rely on. Your lawyers are recurrently recognized in leading the legal directories. Congratulations on this big win.
So thank you again. And again, this is very much on behalf of John Parker, who heads the team. John really is regarded as one of the leading IP lawyers, most people know here in the region, and he's built a fantastic team for us over the last 5 years. And I think its best example is a recent recruit who said that she had spent the last 10 years trying to work with John, which is testament to him. He's not only a great guy, but he's also a great lawyer. So congratulations to John and his team.
Thank you and congratulations. Please do share with us a tweet with the hashtag #LegalEra and tell us how you're celebrating this evening. Congratulations on the mighty win. All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are on to celebrating the Emerging Law Firm of the Year. And the nominees are and the winner is OGH Legal. Congratulations. A boutique dispute resolution firm that you stand as very firmly delivering local law expertise with international service standards. And I think this is very powerful. And as a boutique firm, you take pride in yourselves on providing clients with a personal service and never compromising on quality. Just adding on to the wealth of expertise and the proven commercial awareness that you have, the innovative legal solutions that you offer in complex business issues. Of course, big congratulations. And yes, hashtag #LegalEra Legal Media Group is what we all got to use. Don't forget to tag LegalEra Legal Media Group also as you put on those tweets of congratulations to our winners. This time it is for you, OGH Legal. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sheikha, and thank you for Legal Era for this great award. And thank you for the organizing committee. We owe this to nothing before Allah grace. Thank you very much again, and congratulations to all the winners. Hope everyone remains safe and healthy. Thank you again.
Let's keep clapping, and let's do a quick real-time check over here as to how are our presenters feeling as they are congratulating and clapping for all our award winners, very silently admiring all the mighty work that has been done. Let's do a quick round with all our presenters, Akriti, Leonara, Dr. Basin, and of course, Yasay. What is that one word that comes to your mind as we are clapping for our winners? Akriti, can we start with you this time?
Awesome. I think it's incredible, impeccable, and lovely to see everybody cheering each other. And that's the best thing, I think.
Great. All right. Thank you so much. Amazing is the vibe from Akriti. Leonara, you want to take up the stage next?
I have to agree. The vibe is incredible. I'm really delighted for everyone.
Lovely. And thank you so much. Dr. Basin.
Well, Akriti had stolen my words. One word is awesome. And
lovely.
So high. Thank you.
Amazing, incredible, awesome. And Dr. Basin, you're anyway a wordsmith, so we won't believe that you're short of words, but thank you so much for answering this one. Yasay, please tell us.
Yeah, it's really impressive, to be honest. I'm speechless. Amazing energy, great spirit. I'm so proud and so happy for all the winners today. I'm sure that they have done a lot to, to reach to this glorious point. And I'm glad for all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for all that genuine warmth that's coming in from all our presenters for our awardees. So all our spectators, all our awardees have this one thing to ask. Please answer via tweets using our official hashtag. Tell me, are you all unstoppable? Give me a lots of yeses across social media and just show the world the energy that the award carries, right? Thank you so much. And on that note, we will definitely march ahead and I will do my duties. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category of awards is the Law Firm of the Year, Kuwait. Let's have a look at the nominees. Well, there's some guesses that are going on in our minds as to whether it's this, that one. But essentially, you all are the winners. Officially taking the limelight this time, ladies and gentlemen, is Al Tamimi and Company. Congratulations again. Well, the leading corporate law firm in the UAE and throughout the Middle East, ladies and gentlemen. 450 legal professionals. Well, this is definitely huge. More than that, 16 offices. I just want to say how actively Al Tamimi & Co. encourages diversity, inclusion, and is actually attracting and retaining the best talent just with a single aim that their clients succeed. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Sheikha, and thank you to Legal Era. It's really an honor to be here and to be recognized in such a fashion on behalf of all my colleagues really in the Kuwait office and the hardworking staff. We really appreciate it and thank you.
Thank you very much, Omar, for joining us, and congratulations to the team there. With that, well, I can see here a gem, there a gem backstage. There are a lot of gems who are all ready to be felicitated. So let's move on and introduce to you all the next category of the evening, which is the Law Firm of the Year, Iran. And yes, before disclosing the winner, let's have a look at the nominees. Let's say a big congratulations to Hatami and Associates International Law Firm. international law firm of Dr. Ali Hatami and Associates. Well, that was launched in the year 2003 under supervision and management of Dr. Ali Hatami and its founder and senior partner. Well, this firm, if we talk about, ladies and gentlemen, and this winner this evening is highly honored of providing satisfactory and cost-effective legal services for not just the national, but also foreign clients from the very beginning of the establishment. Let's begin to clap for our winner. All right, if we could have someone accepting the honors, or else, of course.
Hello, everybody, and good evening.
Oh.
I appreciate really from Legal Era, and also and on behalf of my colleagues, thank you for organizing such a very fantastic ceremony, and so very, very appreciate. Hello, do you hear me?
Loud and clear, exactly like the work that you have done. Please go on.
Yeah.
Anything more to say?
I think there's some problems about here. Hello?
We can hear you clearly, and we heard your words of acceptance. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for organizing such an, it's very for my proud for me to be here. I am very happy to be here, and thank you again for organizing such a very fantastic ceremony. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you for all the lovely words. This definitely inspires all of us. And with that, the next category of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, is the Law Firm of the Year, Bahrain. And the nominees look like. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Al-Tamimi and Company yet again. You know by now that there's 16 offices, 9 countries, but what is very remarkable about them is that they are a full-service commercial firm combining knowledge, expertise to ensure their clients, of course, have the access to the best legal solutions that are, of course, commercially sound and effective. Congratulations again.
Thank you again, Sheikha, and on behalf of Al-Tamimi and Company's Bahrain office, we're super happy about this recognition. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are super duper happy as well on this win of yours. And with that, what's the next category of the evening? You have given us, like I said, so many facets to celebrate, like so many lovely categories that recognize you. And with that, it is the Law Firm of the Year, Oman. The nominees are? And the winner is, well, we're allowed to make some noise. Let's give it up for Adil Shah Godar. Well, they provide services in Oman and yes, a fully integrated practice forming the part of the wider Adil Shah Godar group. Well, Nasser Al-Habsi and Saif Al-Mamari comprise of some of the best known and respected corporate commercial litigation, construction, finance, employment, insurance, lawyers in Oman. Big congratulations on bagging this one. Let's blow the trumpet.
Thank you, Sheikha. Thanks very much. Roger Byrne here. I'm the head of the office. I want to recognise the great team we have in Oman and the terrific support we get from our regional and international offices. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to our clients, and in relation to that, I'm very happy to thank them and recognise them for their dedication and the ability for us to serve them. And thank you also for the award and the recognition that comes with it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. And thank you for sharing those jewels of what you embody that made you a winner this evening. Congratulations again. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, the next category of the evening, I want the excitement to not be abating at all. This would be just notching up the law firm of the year, Saudi Arabia. And nominees are. Hearty congratulations to the winner, Crème and Associates. Big congratulations on the laurels. Well, indeed, you deliver first-class, efficient and integrated legal services. And may I share your principal goal, which is to provide the highest quality of legal services that allow you to be instrumental in your client's success and elevate the practice of law in Saudi Arabia by recruiting, retaining, and advancing the brightest legal talent. What a bright moment indeed, and congratulations for being ranked the best out there in the kingdom.
Thank you, everyone. We are very happy and honored on receiving such an amazing award. Thank you, Legal Era. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations. Well, with that vibe of gratitude, celebration, excitement, and of course, all those amazing energies that our presenters just confirmed that they are experiencing, I hope you're experiencing the same, right? You know what, had we been face to face right now, I would have asked you, what's A for, what's B for, you know, and I would have asked you, tell me, in the room that we are present, what do you spot that starts with A alphabet? What do you observe? What do you feel? What is with the B alphabet? What is with the C, D? You can still share in your tweets and tell me your answers. But when it comes to the alphabet E, and I would ask a couple of you, can you spot something with E? Somebody would say, we could see, E for, they would name something, some particular thing in the house. But then, E is, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. E also stands for energy in the house. So if we don't see the energy, how do we roll further? So ladies and gentlemen, even if we are connected virtually, I'm sure we feel that emotional connectivity. So keep that energy coming in, because we can't roll ahead if we don't see E for energy in the house, right? So we will do this drill when we meet face to face. For now, it is time to celebrate and recognize the law firm of the year, Qatar. Let's have a look at the nominees. And if you're impatiently waiting for the winner to be disclosed, let's give it up for Sultan Al Abdullah and partners. Well, one of Qatar's most eminent lawyers, this one is a full-service law firm, and they offer legal advice to the private sector, also the government and the semi-government entities in the core areas of the oil and gas, construction, dispute resolution, commercial property, and more. And if you're wondering what is really the source of strength, that's the diversity of experience and perspective offered by the multinational team of experienced attorneys of our winner. Congratulations. Big congratulations to the winners, mighty one. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are marching ahead. And I would like to say one thing. We keep talking about dreaming, right? Dreaming, daydreaming. But what's the thing with dreams? Dreams never work unless you do. And our winners have truly manifested their dreams, and they've shown it. They've just done it right. And there's no one perfect way. As you can see, there's so many virtues, so many drills, and so many things to celebrate when we are seeing how accomplished our awardees have been. This moment is truly, truly momentous. It is special, because it is time to celebrate the awards of the evening. So let's raise the toast to that. Let's say cheers to that, because this is the time to celebrate the Law Firm of the Year, UAE. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look on the screen as to what and how does it look like, the nominations right out there. Let's have a close look and cheer for the nominees as well. And let's announce the big winners. Back in the limelight, ladies and gentlemen, the award is being conferred on Al-Tamimi and Company yet again. Big congratulations. Well, Al-Tamimi and Co, you indeed seem to be fiercely determined to use your knowledge, experience, and the intellectual rigor to find innovative solutions to overcome complex business challenges. And come what may, this is how you perform. Big congratulations again.
Thank you again, Shika. On behalf of my colleagues in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Ras Al Khaimah, we're very excited and very grateful to receive this award. We'd like to thank Legal Era. We'd like to thank each and every one of our lawyers, our entire staff, and our clients. Thank you all very much.
Congratulations again. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the awards of the evening, the International Law Firm of the Year. And let's look at the screen, please. Well, claps are pure energies. They say good for blood circulation. So from wherever we've joined, let's extend and say a congratulations to our winners, Clyde & Co. Leading global firms specializing in the sectors that underpin global trade and commercial activity, globally integrated, 30 years of experience and counting. Well, the largest presence of any international firm that way, 40 partners, 150 legal professionals, or a full spectrum of corporate and commercial needs throughout the GCC, which is the Gulf Cooperation Council, and of course, the wider areas that we talk about. Truly deserved. Many congratulations.
Thank you, Shika. We are very grateful to Legal Era, the judges and the jury and our clients. And this is a immensely valued recognition for which we are very grateful. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you and big congratulations. Indeed an honor to be felicitating and hosting you. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, as we are almost entering towards the final leg of our much coveted awards presentation ceremony, of course, our duly diligent presenters being on the stage, let's say thank you and clap for them once again. And we are requesting them to stay back on the stage because we're all set to roll out the in-house awards that will recognize, that will honor the best of the best legal minds from in-house for the best work in the year 2021, the very dynamic year, right? Well, let's say that if you can imagine it, you can achieve it. And yes, if you can dream it, we just talked about the dreaming process, you can actually become it. So here's to the ones who have become the winners this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just getting started to celebrate the legal team of the year. And the award goes to, let's give it up for Accenture. Big congratulations. Experienced legal director focused on leading the best in-class team of more than 30 legal professionals in the EMEA region. Strong capabilities in providing legal support, that local agility in accordance with the global framework, approach and guidelines. All of this seems to be complex, but it's inspiring to see how the legal team is taking care of this and more. Congratulations to the winners.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to Liga Hira. Thanks, Shika. Congratulations to all the winners. It's an amazing ceremony. So I've been listening, very, very nice, the energy. So this is really a recognition of a statement of the work that the team is delivering, the passion, the excellence that we're doing every day. So I'm really grateful to lead the team and grateful to work every day in Accenture with such an amazing team. So I want to say actually congratulations to each of the members of Accenture legal team. And then thanks again for the recognition. So very appreciate. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much and big, big congratulations. He's also sending some virtual hugs to you. Many congratulations. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final award category of the evening. Let's make no stone unturned and come together because this is for the General Counsel of the Year. And the award is backed by, let's give it up for Charlie Dalder, the General Counsel, General Motors. Big, big congratulations. Well, lovely to see how you manage the legal team supporting the GM International's operations across Europe, Russia, Uzbekistan, the Middle East, Africa, Israel, and oh my God, so many countries. And particularly very inspiring to see how you, Charlie, and your team play a critical role in protecting and advancing GM's interest, and how with your acumen, the skills, the energy, ethics as well, and integrity, you just nailed this through. And of course, lovely to note that you started your career with GM Australia in 2007, and you've just been growing and holding many positions across China, Russia, South Africa before moving to the UAE. Big congratulations. Let's hear out from you.
Hello, everybody. I want to say that I'm thrilled to be getting the award tonight. I'm very honored. It's a terrific publication, Legal Era, and I'm very happy to be receiving the award. I want to particularly give thanks to my team here in Dubai. They're a great bunch of lawyers, and I wouldn't be able to be here without all the work that they do, and all those in GM in the region and globally. It's all around teamwork, and we have a great team, and they're the real reason for the success that we've had. So with that, thanks everybody. I hope everyone can have a very happy holidays when they come in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much.
Absolutely, and congratulations. Very, very happy vibes to you as well. And well, the evening looks phenomenal. It looks iconic. It looks legendary, and all those adjectives that can come to our mind, I think, would actually fall short of truly defining the moment of glory that we are experiencing with our lovely, lovely winners. But right now, it's time to say a big thank you to our most esteemed guests who were our presenters for this evening. So, of course, I'm saying a thank you to Dr. Lalit Bhasin, along with Leonora Reisenberg and Yese a voicemail. And before leaving the stage, if there's anything that our presenters would want to share with us, it's more than welcome. And after which, of course, Akriti, I'm going to be inviting you to please extend those perfect concluding remarks to the lovely ceremony that we just witnessed.
Yeah, don't make us wait till next year. Make it a 6-monthly event. It is so nice. Oh, awesome. Thanks a lot.
I don't normally use the word awesome, but I think on this occasion, I need to. It was really, truly an awesome event. The energy and the passion in the room is overwhelming. I could not agree more with Dr. Lalit. Let's have it more often.
And Leonora, let's clap to that one. Wow, thank you for such lovely acknowledgements, especially coming from mavens like you. Thank you. And Yese, yes, I'm expecting some Yes, may I say some lovely compliments from you as well.
Actually, you deserve, guys, really a big recognition. It's top-notch event. I think you managed really all the fine details to make this moment very exceptional and very remarkable. And for the winners today, to be honest, you give part of your heart and of yourself to reach to such great recognition. And I trust that it's not just the work of the last 12 months. I'm sure that it's accumulation of great efforts and excellence over years and years. So what you got today is just a small moment for a great work that you have done. I'm sure that this will be a great motivation for you to continue such excellent journey, and will be also a great motivation to all the other colleagues in the market, to follow your steps. Well done and all the best. And thank you very much, Legal Era, for such a great event. Well done.
And a big hand for the Madam of Ceremonies. I won't say Master of Ceremonies. Shikha Singh, beautifully done. Well done.
Thank you, Dr. Vaseem.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Well done.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vaseem. You're someone who never fails to acknowledge whoever is there as part of your team. So thank you so much. Well, we are part of you, and yes, say thank you so much for all those words. And as you rightly said, that perfection is not attainable, maybe, but for sure we can catch excellence, and that's what our awardees have truly shown. Thank you very much for those lovely words, sparing your time and being with us. And Akriti is handing it over to you for the concluding remarks.
Thank you so much, Shikha. I would like to say thanks to Dr. He was encouraging when we wanted to do the Legal Era Middle East Law Awards, and he extended his immense support, and the ceremony became possible because of his hand-in-hand support with Legal Era team. I would like to thank Leonora, because she was truly amazing to accept our invitation and be part of today's award ceremony. And we look forward to work more with you and with the distinguished lawyers of the Middle East. Thank you, Yasir. I think this is the second year we have been together, and I hope that together we can organize more events, conferences, and dialogues, and on the live once the pandemic is over, maybe in Dubai. I would like to congratulate all the winners and the distinguished lawyers who attended the ceremony today for their valuable time. All the lawyers, I think, globally are nation builders. And if we can develop a community which can stay as one voice, one community, then I think we are going to work in the seamless situation where there will be no borders and there will be streamlined work culture, and we could regulate policies and advocacy on a larger level. Legal Era is committed consistently for recreating relevant opportunity and raise a dialogue. And we look forward to working together. And I welcome you all to the Legal Era family, and hope that we can do many more such ceremonies coming forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Akriti. That's say it already. Thank you. Looking forward to that one, and meeting and greeting all of you in person. On that note, like I always say, the biggest thank you is always reserved for my dearest audience members, while we do say a big congratulations to all the winners of Legal Era's second annual Legal Era Middle East Law Awards. As magnanimous as it could sound, the second edition of the 2021. Congratulations to all the winners, and a big thank you to all of you. You know what they say, that the biggest resource of a person is its time and energy. So thank you so much, everyone, for spending your most valuable resource with us. That's your time, your love, and your energy. Here's to meeting all of you sooner than soon on behalf of Legal Era Legal Media Group, which is also our official hashtag. I want to see some winning pictures and all those energies as we wrap up on social media. So let the celebrations continue. I wish all of you a happy heart set, a happy soul set, and a very happy mindset. Thank you so very much.